Question. When you type a message to an AI, what do you think it says? Your words? Wrong. It cannot read a single word you wrote, and I can prove it in 3 minutes. This is a Professor Fixel. He will be keeping score on the left, and this whole animation was built with one AI prompt, no code. Let's go. Say you type a simple sentence in the world. A cat sat on the mat. 6 words. A child could read it. But watch what happens the moment you hit send. Because the AI never received this sentence. First, it got chopped into pieces called token. Watch them pop in. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Each block is one token, one chunk the AI processes at a time. So far, one word, one token. Keep watching. That's about to break. And here is a part that nobody tell beginners. Each token become a number. The AI never sees the letter at all. It sees a list of numbers like 7, 9, 1, 8, 4, 1, 5, 7, 7, 3, 1. Everything AI does, it maths, wearing a word costume. Let that sink in for a second. Now, watch a bigger word. Unbelievable. Doesn't say whole, it shattered. Unbelievable. 3 tokens. The professor finds this hilarious every time. Why pieces? Because AI doesn't memorize a dictionary. It learns a puzzle kit, roughly 100,000 pieces that can build almost any word ever written, even brand new word it never seen. That's the trick behind the trick, which means the word and the token are never the same count. Watch the bar. 100 English word become roughly 130 tokens, and the other languages often even more. Remember that number gap. It's about a cost to money. Because here's the kicker. AI pricing is per token, not per word. Paste a 200 word email into an AI tool that roughly 270 tokens on the meter. Short-term prompt literally costs less. You now know something most AI user never learn. You can also explain the most misunderstood terms in AI. The context window. Every AI has a token limit per conversation. Picture text box filling up chip by chip. When it's full, the oldest token fall out. That's why long chats start to forget. It was never magic. It was a box. And one last mystery solved. Ever ask AI how many are in a strawberry and watch it fail. Look at the screen. It's C, ter, ev, berry. Chunks, not letters. The R are still inside the blocks. It's not stupid. It's just not reading what you think it's reading. So, reading to walk away with. One AI reads token, not words. Two, you paper token. Three, token limits are real meaning of context window. Say those 3 things and you understand AI better than 90% of the people using it. And here is the twist. This entire animation, the block, the bar, even the Professor Fixel himself was built with one AI prompt. No code, no design software. That's this channel. Learn by building one AI idea per video. Turn into something real you can see. Tell me in a comment which word do you want to see drop into token. Where does suggestion get featured? Subscribe, hit the bell. Next class, we will learn AI, one and only trick, predicting the next word. The professors say, class dismiss.